So you keep hearing people talk about MCP, AI agents, but it sounds way more too complicated than it needs to be. So in this video, let's talk about MCP in basic terms, no coding and engineering background needed. It's just a visual example on how MCP do the work. A regular chatbot answers questions based on our conversation. But today, AI agent can do something more powerful than that. It could connect tools. And that is the first idea to explain MCP. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. In simple words, MCP is a shared standard that helps AI agent connect with tools and information. The key idea here is connection. The AI agent receives a request, then MCP helps it reach the tools that are available. The easiest analogy is having a USB Type-C. With USB Type-C, different devices can use the same exact type of port. You do not need a different cable for every device. MCP works similar for AI tools. It gives AI agents a shared way to connect. And here's the part that actually matters. Any tool built to support MCP can connect to it. It's not something one company built just for their own product. It could connect different tools to different companies. So here's how it actually plays out. The AI agent gets a request, figures out what it needs, goes and grabs it from the right tool, and that tool sends back real, actual information instead of the AI just guessing. And that's what makes the final answer better. So if I had to sum up MCP in one sentence, it's just this. It helps an AI agent connect to the tools it needs to actually get real work done. Now, let's actually watch that happen. This is a rough list of video ideas, the kind of list most content creators actually have lying around. This note lives in what I'm calling the documents tool, which is one of the tools this AI agent is connected to through MCP. Those ideas move into an actual weekly plan. The spreadsheet tool is a separate tool from the note. MCP is literally how the agent hands the ideas over to it. Now I'm going to click the build thumbnail board and let's take it one step further. After I click that same information gets handed off again, this time to the design tool, another separate tool the agent reaches through MCP, and it turns each row into a visual card. So here's the finished result. One rough list turned into an actual calendar and a visual layout automatically because three separate tools were all connected to the same agent through MCP. But one honest note here. In real-world MCP setups, these three tools would usually live on separate servers, often built by entirely different companies. But the core thing is one agent talking to multiple connected tools doing real work. That part is exactly how it works. And just to recap, MCP is a shared standard that lets an AI agent connect to different tools, similar to USB Type-C for AI. You just watch that happen. Three tools, three different jobs, one real result. That's really the whole idea. If this helped MCP make sense, that's really the goal of this channel, taking confusing AI automation concepts and making them straightforward. If you'd like to see more of this, consider subscribing, and if you find this helpful, a like goes a long way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.